Ready to explore the future? We're doing a deep dive into the biggest AI trends of 2024, and let me tell you, things are about to get really interesting. We're basing this whole deep dive on a really cool article, Three Big AI Trends to Watch in 2024. It came out back in February. So we'll break down the coolest parts, and most importantly, we'll look at what these trends mean for you. First up, we've got small language models, or SLMs. Now, you've probably heard of ChatGPT, right? Well, that's a large language model, and don't get me wrong, it's crazy powerful, but it needs a ton of computing power to run. So then the question is, what if you could have that same AI brain power, but on your phone?
That is where SLMs come in. They're like pocket-sized supercomputers packing a real punch without needing a massive server farm.
Whoa, so it's like having a mini genius in your pocket.
Yeah, exactly. And the best part is that SLMs don't need to always be connected to the internet. So imagine AI that works offline anytime, anywhere, even if you're using an older phone. That's a total game changer.
For sure, for sure. And get this, the article talks about how Microsoft is already working on SLMs called Phi and Orca. And these aren't just some far-off ideas, they're already out there and outperforming expectations.
It's really fascinating how they're able to achieve that. So instead of being trained on basically the entire internet like some AI, SLMs are trained on really high-quality information that's been carefully selected.
So it's less about learning from random cat videos and weird conspiracy theories, and more like studying a super curated library of knowledge.
Precisely. And this means that SLMs can be incredibly efficient and accurate, even though they're smaller in size.
Which ultimately means we could soon be carrying around AI that's just as powerful as what's currently stuck in research labs. Just imagine the possibilities. But hold on to your hats, because AI is about to get even cooler. Have you ever wished you could show something to an AI instead of always having to type it out? Well, get ready for multimodal AI. This is AI that can understand and work with way more than just text. We're talking images, audio, video, you name it.
It's really about breaking down all the barriers between all those different types of data. Like imagine taking a picture, let's say, of the Eiffel Tower, and then AI can instantly tell you all about it, like its history, the architectural style, fun facts, the whole 9 yards.
It'd be like having a personal tour guide right in your pocket. In fact, the article even talks about how Microsoft Copilot will be able to do just that.
And it doesn't stop there. Like imagine describing the logo of your dreams, and then AI designs it right in front of you. Or how about this? Personalized AI voices that sound incredibly natural and human-like. That's the kind of incredible potential that multimodal AI has.
Multimodal AI is cool and all, but get this, we're also going to see AI tackling those big global challenges. Things like climate change, new energy solutions, even fighting diseases. Imagine if AI could help us solve some of the biggest problems facing humanity. How cool would that be?
I think it's more than cool, it's essential. We're entering a time where AI isn't just about making our lives easier, but using its power to make a real difference in the world.
Totally. And the article gives some really cool examples. Like it talks about how AI is already being used to combat climate change.
Yeah, one super interesting area is weather prediction. So AI can take these massive data sets of climate patterns and create much more accurate weather models. And this is really crucial for understanding and mitigating the impacts of climate change, which are obviously huge.
Yeah, that's a big deal. Can you imagine being able to predict natural disasters way more accurately? We could potentially save tons of lives and resources.
Absolutely. And it goes way beyond weather, too. Like the article mentions AI being used to develop much more sustainable agriculture practices. So by analyzing tons of data on things like soil conditions, weather patterns, and crop yields, AI can actually help farmers optimize their practices in a way that's better for the planet.
It's like having a super smart digital assistant for the entire planet. That's wild.
Yeah.
There's even this really cool part in the article about how there's now a chatbot that helps farmers identify weeds using AI.
Oh, yeah. That's a perfect example of how AI is bridging the gap between cutting-edge technology and real-world applications. So by bringing AI to fields all over the world, we can give farmers the tools they need to increase what they're growing while also minimizing their environmental impact.
It's amazing, and it really makes you think differently about the possibilities, right? And it's not just about sustainability either. Like AI is also accelerating discoveries in medicine and material science. Can you imagine?
Oh, yeah. This is an incredibly exciting area, probably one of the most exciting. Just think about it. AI sifting through literally millions of molecules to find potential new drugs to fight diseases like cancer or even Alzheimer's. Or what about AI helping us to develop new materials for batteries that aren't toxic? It could completely pave the way for a way cleaner energy future.
It really sounds like we're on the edge of a revolution in scientific discovery.
I think we are 100%. and AI is leading the charge.
That is incredibly exciting. Like, this technology really has the potential to benefit every single person on this planet.
It does, and that's something worth being excited about.
So we've gone from AI barely understanding our questions to AI that could help us create a way more sustainable and fair future.
Yeah, it really shows how fast things are moving in the world of AI.
And all this stuff, it's just the tip of the iceberg.
For sure. And we've only really looked at three big trends in AI so far, like how SLMs are making AI much more accessible, and of course, multimodal AI, which is going to create those much richer and more intuitive interactions with technology.
Oh yeah, for sure. It's like we're on a fast track to some truly mind-blowing stuff, wouldn't you say?
Definitely. And it's not just happening in some lab or in a research paper somewhere. This stuff is quickly becoming part of our everyday lives.
Exactly. So keep your eyes peeled for these trends because you'll probably start seeing them popping up everywhere. Maybe it'll be a new app using AI to help you finally learn that new language you've been talking about, or maybe a big breakthrough in medical research thanks to some really cool new AI algorithms. Whatever it is, remember that the future of AI is being written right now. And the craziest part is, we all have a front row seat to it all. Well, that about wraps up our deep dive into the exciting world of AI. Until next time, keep exploring, keep asking those big questions, and most importantly, have fun with it.